Right, fantastic morning, and yes, Auntie Simo, the Woody won some never on of pay, say, Badwam Agokansie, some Dawson, yes, and fantastic outini. Yabanisane Franco Trading Enterprise, and yes, Yakonsa, Franco Trading Enterprise, a phone papa fee anyhow, phone Bia, Opibia, Benyabi, Franco Trading Enterprise, tablet be a laptop, Biano. If you're Franco, then of course, home appliances, TV, air condition, bobo, my microwave, washing machine, fridge, no now when you be of Franco Trading Enterprise, and of course, your Banisaria, na Design and Technology Institute admissions, no more be you know, must be my ya where so my be admissions, which me at the one to be a queen man medium number better, and so I did a man audition and so south my paribu tree, a producer. Kejuana Kasani Erica Sidu. Now, young queen, you know, send matches also, it be a friendlies, it be a World Cup qualifiers, and Senegal in a friendly against England, England born a coming in summer England at the Academy Barco and it was a hurricane and a shared out consolation for England. But the other World Cup qualifiers are called so Finland bought Poland by 2-1, Netherlands about Malta 8-0, and I finished Serbia bought Andorra by 3-0. Young West and European World Cup qualifiers no sequoia. Right, and so I don't know the course so those games more, but the Yansha send an fixtures no Seattle, but Yansha results the mum Iranian fixtures. Now that results a Basel in the qualifiers, and yes, this is it. Cyprus, Romania born 2-0, Netherlands, but they come well home Finland, Poland, the boy, San Marino, Austria born a 1 to me until Latvia, Albania, 1-1, and Serbia. Ebo Andorra 3-0 and Tisha so sa for me Honomo and Otimon say yes and the entry senior and comedy ball World Cup qualifiers now EBC Ako Shannon Soma said Brazil are qualified for the World Cup and Vinicius Junior and Fanahimachi Vinicius Junior actually go back where the Mamo in that game against Paraguay edition of South America. Yes, Uruguay and Venezuela ebe by match Argentina and Colombia. Argentina qualified that on Colombia and ebo Brazil and Paraguay upon Brazil ebo Paraguay by a goal to 0 and Peru and so a giant and so the Ecuador at the Epium Swa Nyanya Sam Ketwa Kra anti Anonesanye Bibia Esiatie in the World Cup qualifiers, I don't some and so Brewon. Yana Bomu at the man said the likes of South America matches Nadia Noyana have matching. It's one here before so Costa Rica about Trinidad and Tobago, just second Biaso no well, you hear how it also goes. But the local stories. The bit media catch on is Brazil are qualified for the World Cup after Vinicius Junior was the only goal at the more to me a common in some get to Accra. Na Mexico they take it is a hoopao. Papa because so some of the Kanafi Yabafi a Morta Guinness can one opina and then some idea bro no matter the occasion so my Morta Guinness was here Morta Guinness papa in a no washimumano and yasam ketwa and bibia we biano the patroma Morta Guinness and can bibia we biano my Morta Guinness and can on hona endi wakajide mo ye kind of sign no sharing so Franco Trading Enterprise and so phone papa fear and your money did you Franco da Masiesa and I Design and Technology Institute and the Bechiska and I say you better 1,000 Ghana cedis yes of course star 281 hash na kwambe aso de kakregu so na emo skada no pay me chiska nyeja ho fa ho jim na so diska kakra fa gu botomo en ho asama nti na ka Argentina and Colombia we de ohun ye no pacho akoso Argentina Colombia aye 1-1 Brazil winning 1 over Paraguay and afi Peru ni Ecuador de no aye 0-0 nti ka sha no sa family I imagine as matches ni na so Argentina and the Colombia game no aye 1-1. Now ya kind of say no yamra fi ni area so fie Nations FC at long last the battery has ended. Disciplinary committee of the Ghana Football Association and they about to just yeah almost 3 points on our screen. You see I letter the disciplinary committee the and Osha say standards they say and akwakoye after say Nations FC 3 points and 3 goals. Now Badwam has to folk about rato for them. The Biani Gold Stars, Nigeria League 63, Heart of Lion second 60, Asante Kotoko third with 58, and House of Folk fourth with 58 points. Nations Babetosunum 57, Dream Selves Betosun Sia 52, Samates Betosun Son 51, and Watria Mediema, and Kronia Diana Bichim Betoso a year and Watche. Now, young apostles already on received that Accra Lions. Legon City's Omoko relegation is Watermandia or so more born in Bimujaida Dada. They say ended the final standings at the end of the Ghanaian Premier League. Yes, I don't listen in something so AC at El Honomo and if me zoom na ready and patch on mommy na fame come on star 281 hash star 281 hash select Adom TV na fa kakra eguso wo de guso abeche osika no pai na wo de agu boto monti eno so one saba no patch kwase day any mo the final of the MTN FA Cup. Na sa finally na Adom TV ajagiri ani asede live a feed of that game about 5 p.m. and a basso 5 p.m. 5 p.m. But you better not say 4:30 na yatumi at the one seminar at the Abrewo Shadow so okopie mu at the University of Ghana Stadium. I am curtain raiser because so I know your former players of Fast of Oak and Kotoko, likes of Samia J. Moni, Adomina, Ebejina Academy, oldies of these clubs, now legends of House of Oak and Kotoko. And Sana kick off Nankasa Basso. I know a golden kick versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the Accra, Legon Stadium in Tishan FI Mame, University of Ghana Stadium. Chenone the eba ubi anyu ubi ampa. It's live on Adom FM, Asempe FM. It's live on Inshira FM. It's live on Adom TV, English platforms. This also ubenye biya show also. Eti MTN FA Cup final so yajairi and yased then star 281 hash select Adom TV na fakakra gusu mami yanano pay star 281 hash select Adom TV na mami hu se kwambia so wediska edia go botomo me pese udi. In no time, air draw, but the Franco Trading Enterprise number is 024 642 2338. 024 642 2338. Now 055 593 9311. 055 593 9311. We edit Franco Trading Enterprise for official numbers. Now, Google Play Store na App Store, which man download the app on Abribiaro, or do one gym. I know Ed Dan Chenya, or call my website francotrading.com. Also, over to me at the or ringing an order, now yet to me at the Abro. CCTV camera and go for do one dance party, and some mounts a cabina, or to me a ball on your man home buying, or a Juma Zebi Jai, Nakama BMI phone, Name Shed, the Akoso Fiena. Bibia sana Design and Technology Institute me pacho challenging job marketing who here certificate mu do design innovation graphic design engineering animation photography need yaka entrepreneurship ningina Design Technology Institute let me eboa ma wutumi esua fabrication welding near the ade ningina obenya bi na wasua age ho certificate me pacho CTVET BTech Pearson na dia welding society you know ana one more I recognize this university and to win a certificate if you are a more Dubai Design and Technology Institute from a 054 169 3534 054 169 3534 na waje more information me patros me zoom no I ready ama me hu na yehu de ye beye enso ewo eho enno now it will be rebuilt and unim sade ba kwa is a Kotoko hwani mu so betumi age the FA Cup. It is the only trophy Kotoko betumi age Thomas setom site also pa golden kicks also say wo no mo ni breya pa jira mu yansa na mo bedu final to mo ntana e ma Kotoko emerge trophy ni fan fiom nsam. Wow. Very how was that final no ebesi akọ enso so horom now yenko ye zoom no so si a yenua Mo Shaban e de yebekom na ya hwe sene MTN FA Cup no enso esi etie sene yenhwe ni mo say golden kick na ho den tesen sanso na Asante Kotoko ho den tesen are we going to see a shocker and that's a bad day the golden kick Shaban or Timin can pay a memo about the Babidjamu so no pay. It is the final of the MTN FA Cup. Chances of both sides to say.
Well, a very tough, especially when occur the history of the competition. Since competition back in 2011, no, we are the third time at Division 1 League team Elco final, and Akoso between 2011, 2010, 2011 FC Nanya.
Okay.
Also qualified from Zone 3. Washa Kotoko final 1-0. Then in 2016, Yenya a Division 1 side on also Zone 3 or Ko United. Also qualified final, but we lose to Bechem United and a golden kick. I'm making it to the final. So the last time a Division 1 League Zone 3 side a ball Kotoko Elusuye. Wow. Final. Almost sound to share beam. So it is not just about Division 1
No,
league,
more,
but it is
Tobama Kwachi. The last time was a Zone 3 club. That is Division 1 Zone 3 club is Shako Kotoko Luzuye.
Yes, Asante Kotoko,
Wow.
Nania. That was way back in 2010, 2011.
Wow.
And back competition no more. Now, I think Baku are very key going into this final has to do with the numbers at both sides. Him say Kotoko is the second most successful club in the MTN Cup, winning the trophy 9 times, chasing hard to folk who have won the top trophy 12 times. And the last time Kotoko won the trophy was way back in a year 2017. Almost had to folk 3 or the Aliu Muhammad Stadium. But Golden Kicking call find out that their best form a run of 32. And coach Fifi Hansen Parker, he has been with the team even as a best form a run of 32. But at the back we key. Let's not forget that this year Kotoko got into the MTN Cup final. We are considered just 1 goal per.
Wow.
1, yes. And I share 8 goals going into the final. Now the game anywhere I penalty shootout.
Okay.
Or they call until within 90 minutes na Kotoko weird man. But Oko Golden Kicker on what was 6 matches. A penalty they decided here.
Okay.
And we within 90 minutes. And that include their last game, which was their semi-final game against Atram. Mutumi recorded a 3-1 emphatic victory at the TNA Stadium going into the final of the competition. And Adiabako I be key, 2. Coach Abdul Karim Zito.
Okay.
Oba Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Not the last time Wako MTN FA Cup final, Onikim Faisa Obo as a coach for Dreams FC. Orini and the last time Wako final Orini trophy no. And all the Dreams FC called Africa. They could do the semi-final. And he clearly about coaching experience. Abdul Karim Zito ahead of the opponents. Actually, the last few years in the final, 2016, Okoye United, Bechem, it was a victory for Bechem United. In 2017, Kotoko won it. Yambo Biuma until 2020-21 has won it against Ashanti Gold. 2021-22, Heart of Folk won it against Bechem United. 2022-23, it was a seasoner. A call in favor of Dreams FC 2023-24, a season for Nswakeman. And the last 2 years, no the year analysis, it gives you an in-depth information. Say, it will come teams require expectations in your teams are really good gap. And usually the last 2 years, success na Akwadiamo, and that is Dreams FC and Nswakeman FC. Yes, but then in terms of experience, pedigree, a call in favor of Kumasi Asante Kotoko from the coaching side. And then you look at the players. So Becca say, now Golden Kick players ben kwa na. Yes. And then me catcher will say they've got key players, especially Kevin Saba, goalkeeper. No?
Okay.
He saved them numerous of times, especially on penalty shootout. And Raymond Gripman, or a centre back. And also Eba. And one player during this transfer window, and call for a cheaper, you find a Dacosta Wusu, or a number 10, or a winger, attacking midfielder, from all angles, Edima Golden King. Very, very, very creative player. And also, our team Numa, Omodineba, and Fuseni. And so last year, our Kumasi Schools Championship, of course, the side they win here or finish here as top scorer. I find Joshua Fuseni.
Okay. And
Joshua would be available. Then one key player, Zakaria Mumuni. He is a former player of Wafa, former player of Indiana.
Very experienced.
Yes, very experienced. And Zakaria would also be available. So almost squad and then a very squad that because away a Division 1 team. Golden Kick has managed to keep these players for so many years, especially Da Costa Wusu.
Okay.
At a point last year, people thought he would be moving, but no. Golden Kick kept him. Meaning, say, almost trying this movement for them to explode. but then they have a very good team. But for Asante Kotoko, these players would want to do it, especially when coach now will take you over a new coach, and you need to perform to keep yourself in the squad next season, because coach now and Kamada Mohammed was justifying himself, and for me, one of the best foreigners this year in the Ghana Premier League, Kamara Mohammed. Then Mecca said Patrick Esiedu, left back, very good. Samba O'Neill would also want to do it for Asante Kotoko, Joseph Ablo, Henry Ansu. These are players at any point in time, we are very good. You look at the midfield, Baba Yaya, Emmanuel Entry started Baba Kakra, because at a point now Onya playing time. He started to warm himself up in the Kotoko setup. Andrew Sinti key player, Jamina is also available for the clash. Then the fearsome three, I have always said, say Saka Dauda, Abet Ama Poku, and if Golden Kick Ewe Jumaya in the first half, they need to be very strong on these players. Let's not forget that the last game Kotoko played in the MTN FA Cup, it was against Brikum Chelsea, who had also had fearsome three. A year, Emmanuel Sapon, Stephen Amankuna, Mizak, Efi. But Kotoko were able to stop them, hold them, beat them, and then go into this final. Yes, Kotoko lost to Vision FC in their last league game, but this is a different game. Let's not forget that the last time we bought final, it will be very difficult against this Division 1 side, especially when we bought that video of 2011. Underrated FC Nanya. This time, they are likely to go all out and battle for the league title, the FA Cup title.
Wow, but me push you to the wall to say over mame or prediction. Watch them watch them the way but because me pianwa. Do you see Golden Kicks or cause upset?
So within 90 minutes, per statistics, I will speak based on fact. So within 90 minutes, question will win
okay.
But so when Chelsea will win extra time penalty, that is where Golden Kick will prove that we are a very good side.
Wow. Right, Mo, madam, I say for your time and I don't pay. Yeah, so warm up to that big game on Sunday. Yeah, we will be samba ho and sana I do so on Sunday. My man, Mo Shaban. And yade no GFA statistician watch the I'm sure say wajuma or cry obasamba pm before consider na yede adi enkomo on that particular game where baso it will be Golden Cake versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Amekiska Sanamako Franco Trading Enterprise Malta Guinness. Who that I said me so mo na de who akroma de ko. My goodness. Malta Guinness in I proudly made in Ghana, Pacho, and one no. We are a issue or party biase, and every made me pie, the media Bosonia. The drone is star 281 ash, na selected Adom TV, na Faber, back with 5 cities 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and me friend win and one was sending away excited. I was no cloning you need suddenly rare. Fantastic. Now. Yeah, I want some NSWC at here now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why not the music? Why not you? 055 9656 something. 055 9656 something day there. Yee. Yeah, for winning this is Yako Design Technology Institute number na San JB for ni so 054 169 3534 054 169 3534. May I go straight to Givers Industries. Yes. Dr. Solomon Kwabi. Yes, when I give us a Jumani na suabeti and a sense utrim anywhere pum any utri so. I mean best me issue utri so a but Dr. Solomon Kwabi, fantastic morning going out to you. Give us industries. Bia, give us Gumbiano. Patre Dr. Solomon Kwabia. In Runi dear, what's them was a bro for Tadi and no crowd of men can want them. Say, oh, what's them was a prequa one for. As I'm the way. Go give us dear. Massa, give us ice. No. Give us clean and no. Wouldn't say on the 14th of June. Yes, I do so on the 14th of June. You call Achim Intronang, a horna, you 1 year anniversary of Madame Agnes Kwabi, aka Adwachumwa, the mother of Penny Power Dagivers and him. Yes, or Dagivers and Madame Agnes Kwabi, the 1 year Neduswa, Yakwakuja, Dr. Solomon Kwabi, den Patrick Basso, our Chairman Tronan, Saturday, 14th of June, Kashan Sosa, FM Mame or Hodom Doc. Bia be fine. So we had to just a mammy and so I have been sir. Oh dear name de you know. Unfortunately, Abasa about this 1 year. Na a year no dear oh yeah come on you. I mean you say 1 year is something they did rather so. A train helicopter if you tat. I be see one a crew ho je. Oh share my me anymore. I mean you say 1 year so because so ashen anymore. Ya we show where pa na ade. You better not. You win no my na you hu say na be you say win na ba. Also okay. Hello, good morning. Congratulations. Wow, you go so hwe so be ba. Oh, I don't know what I tell. What this guy what 1,000 Ghana cedi nyasam keto. Alright, young fancy now. You know, double justify inclusion. No, yes, Double Soccer Academy. From the 22nd of June 2025. And I can be a so the channel song. Justify inclusion. 15 years to 20 years. Western North. Now no Kokofodia we they call Western North. 15 years to 20 years. Okay, one. Jinamudi make one some the actual. Cause I had Adom TV. I could anyone make one some the actual. More info at 0244. 576-606 7 a.m. sharp and I justify inclusion about so number if Nejimun will be a double fantastic morning going out to you. We see a party with me producer. Kijuana Kasani Erica Siru because I have a job.